Hello guys and welcome back to the video. In today's video we're going to be showing you how to make an API that gives a random output from whatever you put into it. This will give you a JSON output, which makes it super simple if you're coding a bot in Discord Python, JavaScript, Discord bot script, literally anything. Super easy, super simple code. So first you're going to go to Glitch and open up a Hello Express Node app. Can't. Okay, so now that you have your project, what you're going to do is you can open it up in a new window and you can see that you have this. It's what Glitch automatically gives you, and it's fine. But you're going to head over to server.js and delete all of that because it's all useless. It's all wrong and not what we need. You're gonna type. I can't. Okay, guys. Sorry for the glitch in audio. It's because my friends were talking and it's distracting me, so they're now muted. So what you want to do is you're gonna start it as const express require express. And then what you want to do is make sure that you actually have this stuff like you should. I'm sorry, there's still, yeah. There you go. It's just that's it. Sorry, that hurts. Just don't forget that. Nope, excuse me. And this API, or this code that I'm making a video on, comes from the help of CTK, who has his own channel where he records Discord, JavaScript videos. Go check him out, it's DVD and more. I get some ideas from him, he helps me a lot, so yeah. So then, just whatever you want to get. So we're just gonna go like meme equals require and then just do slash src, and then we're gonna call it meme dot. Oops, don't even know what I just did there. Dot JSON. And we're going to create that file, which would be src slash meme.json. And then we get rid of me doing stupid there. There we go. And that's how we're going to start it off. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. That's it. Have a good day. Bye. I'm kidding. I promise. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're just going to make app.get. And this is going to be the page where it gets it from. So it's going to be slash meme. That's it. I'm kidding. It'd be nice if it's that simple, but it's pretty simple too. It's only gonna take like 10 minutes for this entire video. Never mind where I could do that yet. Okay. Now you're gonna do var item equal truth math.floor, once again math random, not once again, it's the first time we did that, times Sorry, it's mean. Sorry, my brain's having a stroke today. It's got out of class. And there you go. That's basically all you have to do. But we're going to clean this up, add a little bit more. We can learn where my brain goes instantly to const now instead of console log. Excuse me, brain's not thinking today. And this is basically all you need for your server.js file. And if you want to add more, like, I don't know what to call it, just, if you want to add more, just take this and copy it if you're adding more JSON files. Now, the JSON file is super simple to make, so it's this. So it's going to be message, and then what your content's going to be. So we're just going to do content. And instead of doing all that, just, I don't know what we're doing here. Oh, that's what we're doing. We're excluding, sorry, this is from another one of the projects that I was doing for a friend, and I just wanted to simplify it. There we go. And there we go. These are going to be cat images now. You're going to want to go /meme, and there's probably a glitch somewhere if it's doing that. Maybe, hold on. And our favorite pastime is just doing this. I'm trying to figure out what I did wrong. And the reason as to why it shall not start like it should. Oh, right. Oops. Something's not functioning right in my brain. We'll just take a second. See, that should be exactly what it wants. There shouldn't be a difference between like these two things. Oops. I found the issue in my brain. There we go. And now it should be working because we got our brain power back. Or not. Wasn't realizing you could not type. And there we go. There it is, with a few me not thinking properly through it. You can do whatever you want with it, just make sure you do the right thing, unlike me, because I forget. There we go. This will give you a random meme every single time. See if you notice. Or not every single time. The more that you have, bigger chance it'll be random. You can host this on Git. And yeah, you know you can host it on GitHub. No, you can host this on Heroku really, really simply, really easily. It's not difficult. That's it. You really just have to take all your code, put it into GitHub, and then push it through Heroku. It's not hard, it's super easy. Thank you guys for watching. Sorry for my brain dying like 16 times throughout this video. I thought it'd be something super duper simple, and then my brain took a turn for the worse and I had to go look at some of my old code because I was trying to do it all off of memory of not knowing much. So thank you guys for watching, as I am learning other things other than front end now, because front end's getting a little boring because it's repetitive at this point. I will be doing some front end tutorials. I have a Discord bot website template coming out soon, and thank you guys for watching. I said that like 20 times now, but seriously, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you guys so much for like over 5,000 subscribers. It's like I never thought I'd hit before. Like, if we look at my channel, this is my original channel, 125 subscribers. Never thought I'd get farther than that in my entire life. Actually, I had more before. I had like 150. That's the channel I had in like middle school. I don't know what to say. Just thank you guys so much for your help. Getting this far on YouTube has been like best thing ever. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, join my Discord, download my app called Disk Sender. There's a whole overhaul coming soon where it will look way different. See, there's only one bad review. It does not look very nice right now, but huge app overhaul coming soon. Join the Discord bot script server. That's gg.gg/Discord bot or DB. I can do that too.